Hey everybody, my name is Aaron Blaise, and you might not know me, but I'm pretty sure you've seen some of my work. You know, I've been an animator and artist for over 35 years. 21 of those years I spent at the Walt Disney Company, and it was there that I was lucky enough to work on films like Beauty and the Beast, Aladdin, The Lion King, Pocahontas, Mulan, and I directed a film called Brother Bear. Well, since leaving Disney, I got together with my business partner, Nick Birch, and 10 years ago, we decided to put together a company called CreatureArtTeacher.com. It's been our mission to make art education affordable for everybody. Now, we've got students that have gone on to work for major film companies, game companies, and more. We're proud to present over 700 hours of comprehensive art education and animation training. From the beauty of traditional drawing to the wonders of digital art, we've got you covered. Our site includes thousands of Photoshop brushes, artist reference photo packs, and more that await you. And guess what? It's not just me guiding you. You'll learn from industry professionals and experienced teachers. Dive into classes on animal drawing and traditional mediums like charcoal, watercolor, and oil painting. We also have full courses on character design, animation, storyboarding, and even how to pitch your own ideas. Now, you'll learn to use industry-leading software like Photoshop, Procreate, ZBrush, and more. And you know what the best thing is about this? All of this content is affordable. We don't believe that anybody should ever have to go into debt in order to learn. We offer 3 great ways to learn. For starters, you can purchase any class a la carte. This gets you lifetime access to watch any lesson at your own pace. Or, if you're hungry for more knowledge, you can choose from our 2 membership plans. Our monthly membership grants you streaming access to every course we offer, and you can start or stop at any time. But for those of you who want the full experience, our annual membership not only lets you stream, but you can also download everything, and it's all yours to keep. Now imagine a full art education library right at your fingertips. Plus, with an annual membership, you'll have access to any new course we create during that year. Now, both memberships include access to my exclusive live stream that I do twice a week as I make my next animated short, Snow Bear. It's as if you're sitting in the room with me and I'm teaching you how to make an animated short the way we did it back at Disney. You'll also have access to our members-only Discord server. So come on over and join artists from all over the world and be a part of our community. So whether it's a la carte or one of our memberships, what are you waiting for? Come on over to Creature Art Teacher and start learning today.